Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the video encoding format on Insta360 GO Ultra. To do it, slide down from the top of your screen, then go to the settings right here, and now you can go to the video encoding. Now you can set it to H265 or H264. Remember, 265 is more efficient when it comes to storage. It takes less storage, but 264 is compatible with more devices. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.